Hello and welcome to Cosplay Crafts and More. I'm Danielle and I'm so happy that you're here. Today we're going to be finishing the skirt for the 1920s Jessica Rabbit cosplay. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, I will sew the two pieces together at the center front and center back. I will press these seams open off camera. Then I will sew the hem, turning in 1/4 inch and pressing that, and then another 1/4 inch and pinning it. After that, I will sew close to the pressed edge. Next, I will make clips in the skirt 1/4 inch from the edge and about 1/4 inch away from each clip. This will make the edge malleable. Then with right sides together, I will sew the skirt to the top of the dress. I will then press this seam down towards the hem off camera. Technically, the dress is finished here, but the cosplay is not done. So I didn't make any of the accessories for this cosplay, but I will be wearing these purple opera gloves, these cute kitten heels, and this locket necklace. Here's the beautiful cosplay all put together. If you would like to see how I do the hair and makeup, check out my next long video. Now that you have the skirt and accessories, you're ready for hair and makeup. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project.